Hi, it's Ken here. I'm in year 4 of MIT. On this stop of the QR code tour, we want to welcome you to FNB 1220, one of our classrooms in the FIMS and nursing building. You might be wondering, where will my classes be if I'm a FIMS student? Well, in your first year at Western, you'll have classes in lots of different buildings across campus. Your first year classes will range in size, but here at FIMS, your required courses will be about 250 students for lectures each week. You'll have a tutorial of 25 students led by one of our amazing graduate students here at FIMS. In the upper years of the program, your classes will be anywhere from 20 to 50 students, and many of them are scheduled in classrooms just like this one. From entertainment industries and popular culture, Planet Google Big Data and Information Society, media law and ethics, to children advertising and consumer culture, and media and mental health to name a few, there are a lot of cool courses to choose from. Check out our website at www.fims.uwo under undergraduate programs and courses for a complete listing of all the courses you can take. Want to know more about our program here at FIMS? Come on in and have a seat. We have a virtual welcome from one of our first year professors, John Reed, and a general overview of our programs waiting for you. Thanks for coming to visit our beautiful campus and enjoy your day with us at FIMS and at Western.